Ito guys, yung binabad natin na ginger sa mainit na tubig. Ayan. Ito guys ay ginagamit natin sa ating noodles Chinese soup recipe. So ito guys, first thing, ginisa natin yung chicken, ikinat natin ng small cubes. Tapos hinayaan natin hanggang maging maging brown yung chicken. I-add na rin natin guys yung durog na garlic at sibuyas. Nag-chop tayo ng maliliit na sibuyas. At yan, pinagsama-sama natin hanggang masuti na natin yung chicken hanggang naluto na siya. Ngayon guys, lagyan natin siya ng ng pinakuloang tubig. Ayan. Nilagay na rin natin yung gulay na carrots, celery leaves, and cabbage for fall. Ayan guys. Yan ang ating sabaw. At ang ating ingredients guys ay salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and soya sauce, and fish oil sauce. Yan guys ang ating recipe. Napaka-easy. This is good for winter time. At the end guys, habang kulong-kulo na, naluluto na lahat. So of course, tikman man natin kung ano ang lasa niya. Tikman natin. At the end, ilagay natin yung water ginger. Ayan, isala natin para hindi makain ng alaga yung ginger. Ayan na guys. Tapos na. Ayan natin ng kumulo siya guys. Lagyan natin ng soya sauce. Pampalasa. Ayan. Mga kumulo guys. At lagyan na rin natin siya ng spring onion at the last if you are served. Ayan guys, it's easy, so yummy, and look delicious. This is a Chinese chicken noodle soup. Yan guys, napaka-easy lang ng ating sabaw. Sobrang malasa. At tamang-tama ito sa winter time. Yan guys, kunti lang ilagay natin na noodles. Hindi maganda yung kailangan balance ang gulay at ang noodles. So this is that. Finally, I finished my chicken Chinese noodle soup. Ayan. So look delicious and yummy. Try this kind of recipe guys. It's easy, in just 5 minutes you can ready to eat your hot soup Chinese noodles soup. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the button, and you are updated to my next video. So thank you so much. God bless us. Bye bye.